Good morning, children. So, the next topic that we are going to discuss is inequalities. So, under this topic, we are going to see these. Okay. So, here, firstly, we will see if you have a triangle. Okay. Consider a triangle ABC. Okay. So, in a triangle, if you see that two sides are unequal, okay, let's say this AB is 5 centimeter and your AC is 4 centimeter. So clearly these two sides AB and AC are not equal. So the one which is greater, okay, will have greater angle opposite to it. Like here, opposite to AB, we have this angle, okay, angle C, and opposite to AC, we have angle B. So here you can see that this side AB is bigger than AC. Then in that case, what will happen? This angle C will be greater than angle B. Okay. So if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. Okay. In short, we write greater angle opposite greater side. Okay. Now, okay, so what you're supposed to do is you will give heading as inequalities and you will write down this, okay, and you will draw this diagram. Clear? Now see the next. Here it says if two angles of a triangle are unequal, okay, like see over here, let's say this is 60 degree and this is 40 degree, okay, let this be A, B, C. So here you can see that these two angles are unequal. Yes. So the angle which is greater, okay, will have greater side opposite to it. Okay. So here opposite to this angle 60 is AC, okay, and opposite to 40 is AB. So here, since opposite to AC is 60 degree, okay, so your AC will be greater than AB. Clear? So you have to remember this, that if two angles of a triangle are unequal, the greater angle has greater side opposite to it. So here 60 and 40, 60 is greater than 40, therefore AC will be greater than AB. Clear? Now see the third one. Here it's trying to say that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. So you know that triangle has three sides. So no matter which two sides you take, you just take the sum of those two sides. You will see that sum will be always greater than the third side. Okay. Let's say this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, okay, and this is 2 centimeter. Okay. So here you will observe that if you take sum of this AB and AC, that means 4 plus 3, 7, always greater than 2. If you take 2 plus 3, 5, that is greater than 4. Okay. 2 plus 4, 6, that is greater than 3. So the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. In short, we write sum of two sides greater than third side. And the fourth that you should remember is, suppose I have taken a straight line, this straight line A, okay, this is the straight line that I have taken, and I have taken one point, okay, outside this line, okay, I have not taken on the line, somewhere away from the line. So from this point P, the closest line, okay, that we can draw to this line, given line A, will be perpendicular. Okay. So here, of all straight lines that can be drawn to a given line from a point outside, the perpendicular is the shortest. Like here, from this point I have drawn one line PN, PQ, PR, PS, and you'll find that out of these lines, this PN, that means perpendicular, is the shortest one. Okay, so these four things you're supposed to remember, and you will write it down in your maths copy. Okay, now we'll proceed to few questions. Okay, we will see some questions from exercise 8C. Hardly 2 or 3 questions we'll see, though we have so many questions over there, but we'll see very few questions, just trying to clear the concept. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay children, now let us see question number 1 from exercise 8C. So here is the question. It says, in a triangle PQR, side PQ is produced to S. So here this side PQ has been produced till S, so that QS is equal to RQ. That means once you extend this PQ till S, in that case QX becomes equal to QR. Okay, and they have given that this angle PQR is 60 and angle RPQ is 70 degree. Now the third angle will be equal to, so here 60 and this 70, so this will be 130, so this has to be 50 degree. Okay, what they want us to do is they want us to prove PS, this PS is PS, okay, PS is greater than RS. So here we don't see RS anywhere, so we have to join R and S. Okay, so let me join R and S. Okay, so your, so this is RS. Okay, so here you can see this angle is 60. Okay, therefore this will be 120. Now you can see that PSR is an isosceles triangle because QS is equal to QR. Therefore this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so let's say this is X, then this will be also X. So you'll get 2x plus 120 is equal to 180. Yes, so you'll get 2x is equal to 60, so x will be equal to 30 degree. Okay, so here this, so this is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. Okay, now we have to show that PS is greater than RS. So in triangle PSR, okay, you can see angle opposite to PS, angle opposite to the side PS is 50 plus 30, that means 80 degree. Okay, opposite to PS, and opposite to RS is 70. Okay, so here clearly the side which has got greater angle opposite to it will be greater. Okay, that means PS will be greater than RS. Reason is greater side, okay, opposite greater angle. Okay, we'll write it properly. Okay, so this was just explanation, so let us write it down. So here we'll write, in triangle PSR, angle PRS is equal to this 50 plus 30, that is 80 degree. Okay, this is angle opposite to PS. Okay, and then angle RPS is equal to 70 degree, and this is the angle opposite to RS. Okay, clearly, so here you can see that angle opposite to PS is greater, therefore clearly PS will be greater than RS. You can give the reason, since greater side opposite greater angle. Okay, so first one is proved. Now second, what they want us to do is they want us to prove that PS is greater than PR. So PS is this, okay, and your PR is this. Clear? So now angle opposite to PS is 80 and angle opposite to PR is 30. So let me write angle here, this angle is PSR. Okay, angle PSR is equal to 30 degree. This is angle opposite to PR. Okay, so here you can see that angle opposite to PS is 80 and angle opposite to PR is 30. So obviously the one which has greater angle opposite to it will be greater. Okay, so this PS will be greater than PR. Therefore PS is greater than PR, since we have greater side opposite to greater angle. Okay, so this is done. So we have proved both. Okay, now we shall see the next question. Okay, now let us see question number 2. So here it says, in a triangle PQR, angle Q is 35 degree, angle R is 61 degree. The bisector of angle QPR cuts QR at X, arranged in descending order PX, QX, RX. So here two angles are given, so third one can be found very easily, and this will be equal to 180 minus 35 plus 61, that means 180 minus 96, so you will get 84 degree. Okay, so this total angle is 84. So this total angle, one second, so this total angle is 84. Okay, and next is saying that the bisector of angle QPR, that means this angle is bisected by this. Okay, so let's say bisector of this angle, let me draw over here. So this PX is the bisector of angle QPR. That means this angle and this angle, okay, are going to be equal, but total is 84, that means half over here, half over here. So this will be 42, this will be also 42. Okay, Now you can easily find this angle, okay, and this one. So your here this angle will be 103 and this will be 77 degree, okay. Now what we are supposed to do is we need to arrange these sides px, qx and rx in descending order, okay. So you can see that px is common for triangle PQX for both the triangles, okay. PX is common and this QX is part of triangle PQX and XR is a part of triangle PXR, okay. So let's see. In triangle PQX, here you can see that opposite to QX, okay, opposite to QX angle is 42 and opposite to PX angle is 35, okay. So here I can write angle PQX is equal to 35, okay, and angle QPX is equal to 42 degree. This is angle opposite to QX, opposite to PX, and this is angle opposite to QX, okay. So here you can see that 40 degree is greater than 35, but 42 is opposite to QX, okay. So therefore QX will be greater than PX. So here we can write therefore QX is greater than PX. Done. Now come to this triangle and triangle PXR, okay. In this triangle you can see angle opposite to PX is 61, okay, and angle opposite to XR is 42. So here I can write angle PRX is equal to 61 degree and angle RPX is equal to 42. This angle is opposite to PX and this angle is opposite to RX. So here you can see that 61 degrees greater than 42 degree. So it's obvious that PX is greater than RX. Therefore PX is greater than Rx. So suppose this was your equation 1 and this was your equation 2. So combining these two, okay, 1 and 2, so here I'll write combining 1 and 2, we will have, like here you can see Px is common in both. So what I'll do, I'll just write Px in middle. Then from 1 what I'm getting that Px is less than Qx. So I can write like this. Yes. And from 2 what I'm getting that Px is greater than Rx. So I can write like this. Yes. So joining 1 and 2 I got this, that Px is greater than Rx and less than Qx. but here we have to arrange descending order. Okay, so therefore in descending order it will be qx, then px, and then rx. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear? Okay, now let us see question number 3. So here it's saying in figure 8.89, this is the figure. Okay, AB is less than BC. Okay, so here it's saying that AB is less than BC. Okay, so it means that the angle opposite to BC will be greater than angle opposite to AB. Okay, so here angle opposite to AB is this. Okay, let's say this is X, and angle opposite to BC will be this, let's say Y. So here it's saying that AB is less than BC. Therefore, angle opposite to BC, that is Y, will be greater than angle opposite to AB. Okay, so due to this information, okay, we are getting this. Okay, so let me write, let, okay, instead of writing this we can write here given AB is less than BC. Okay, therefore this angle opposite to AB, okay, therefore angle BCA, okay, will be less than angle opposite to BC, that is BAC. Clear? So we don't have to mention X and Y also. Okay, so since AB is less than BC, therefore angle opposite to AB, that is this angle, is going to be smaller than this angle. Okay, now next what it's saying that if the base angles of triangle ABC, so base angles, these two angles, this and this. So if the base angles of triangle ABC are 70 and 50 degree, so one is 70, one is 50, but which one is 70 and which one is 50 we have to find. Okay, so see over here, one thing is clear that this 70 and 50 are here. Okay, so total will be 70 plus 50, that is 120. So this remaining has to be how much? 60 degree. Clear? Now 70 and 50. Now where to write 70 and where to write 50? Okay, so that decision has to be taken according to this. Okay, so here it's saying that angle BCA, that means this angle. Okay, this angle has to be smaller than this angle. Okay, so we have choices between 70 and 50. Okay, so which one I should put over here, 70 or 50, so that this condition is also satisfied? So obviously I should put 50 over here, so this has to be 70. Okay, so here it's saying state which of the two is 70 degree. So we got this angle ABC is 70 degree. Okay, so I can write angle BAC, sorry, not BAC, angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Okay. And next it's saying that AM, so this is your AM, bisects the exterior angle BAX. That means this whole angle is getting bisected by AM. Okay. And AP is parallel to CB. So this AP is parallel to CB. So since AP is parallel to BC, therefore this has to be 70. Okay, because alternate angles. Clear? And second thing, that this whole angle BAX has to be how much? 180 minus 60. That means 120. So let me write it down. Okay. So see, now angle BAX is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. Next, so next this angle BAM has to be half of angle BAX. Why? Because AM is the bisector. Next, angle BAM is equal to half of angle BAX, that is 120 degree divided by 2, that is 60 degree. Okay. Reason is, since AM bisects angle BAX. Okay. So this much is done. So you know that this is 60 degree. Okay. Now we are supposed to find this angle, this small angle that you can see over here, MAP. Okay. But since AP is parallel to BC, this whole angle has to be 70. Okay. So you can easily find this angle. This will be 10 degree. Okay. So let me write. Now angle BAP will be equal to angle ABC equal to 70 degree alternate angles. Okay. Now angle MAP will be equal to angle BAP minus angle BAM. So it will be 70 minus 60, that is 10 degree. Okay. So you got the answer. Okay. Okay. So this question is over. Okay children, now let us see question number 5. So here you can see it's given in figure 8.91, arrange the angles in descending order of magnitude. So here you can see triangle ABC is given to you, and each side is given, okay, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and one angle is given 110 degree. Okay. So solution given. So here you can see that BC is greater than AC and AC is greater than AB. Okay. So Now this implies that angle opposite to BC, that is A. So angle A will be greater than angle opposite to AC. Angle opposite to AC is angle B, and this will be greater than angle opposite to AB, that is angle C. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, clearly you can see that this is in descending order. Okay, so this is done, very easy. Okay children, now let us see question number 6. Okay, so here it says in figure 8.92, which is the longer. Okay, so for question 1, we have to say which one is longer, either LM or MN. Okay, so this is number 1, figure is this. Here we have to say whether LM is bigger or LN is bigger, sorry, LM or MN. So opposite to LM we have 63 degree, and opposite to MN we don't know, so we have to find. Okay, so 180 minus, okay, 58 plus 63, so 50 plus 60 will be 110, okay, and 11, so 121. So subtract, so from 10 you are subtracting 1, you are getting 9, and from 7 2 you are getting 59. Okay, so here opposite to MN is 59 and opposite to LM is 63, so which is bigger? 63 is bigger than 59. Okay, so therefore LM will be bigger than MN. Okay, so answer is LM. So you don't have to write, just we are trying to discuss this. Okay, in your textbook only you can just write down these things and you can mention that LM is greater than MN. Okay, now see question number 2. Here we have to say whether PQ is bigger or PR is bigger, and in this figure I feel that this parallel sign is missing. Okay, so here you can see that this total will be coming, this total will be 112. Okay, so this total is 112, therefore this has to be 68 degree. Okay, and since this PQ is parallel to this, okay, parallel to this, so this 42 degree, so here also 42 degree. Now you can see opposite to PQ is 68, okay, and opposite to PR is 42. So which one is bigger? 68. Therefore this PQ, okay, since 68 is bigger, so opposite to 68 is PQ, so PQ will be bigger than PR. Okay, now see number 3. Here we have to show that we have to say whether AB is bigger or BD is bigger. You have to say whether AB is bigger or BD is bigger. So here it's given that AB is parallel to DC, and here you can see it is 127. So you can see that this AB is parallel to DE. Okay, so if this is 127, so this whole thing will be also 127, but out of 127 this is 95, so this has to be 32 degree. So for this triangle ABD you got 73, 32, so you can find this and this will come 75. Okay, now you can see opposite to AB is 75 and opposite to DB is 73. So 75 is bigger than 73. So obviously AB will be bigger than BD. This is the answer. Okay. Now see number 4. Here we have to show that PB or which one is bigger, whether PB or PC. And they are saying that this PB is bisector of this whole angle and PC is bisector of this whole angle. Okay. So firstly you can see that this is 126 degree. Okay. So this will be 54 degree. Okay. Now you can see this is 118 degree. Okay. So this angle has to be, here you can see this whole angle will be 62 degree. Okay, this whole angle, but this PB, okay, let it be, this whole angle is 62. Now what we'll do, we'll find this whole angle. Okay, this is 54, this is 62, so 54 and 62, you will get how much? So here 6 and here this 116. So this angle will be 64 degree. Okay. So now as we know that PB is bisector of this whole angle, so this much will be 31, and PC is also bisector of this whole angle, so this will be 32. Now you can see opposite to PB is 32 and opposite to PC is 31. So here 32 is bigger. So angle side opposite to 32 degree will be bigger. So here PB will be bigger than PC. Okay. Now in this case we have to decide whether MQ is bigger or QR is bigger. And in this case they are saying that this angle and this angle equal, and they have also said that they are saying that, one second, they are saying that LM is greater than LR. Okay, so what we'll do is we will join M and R. Okay, so once we have joined M and R, what we'll get? We'll get a triangle LMR. Okay, we are getting triangle LMR, and here you can see that they have already said that these two angles, this and this, equal. So let's say this is X, this is also X, and we don't know about this, so let this be Y and let this be Z. Now it's given that LM is bigger than LR. That means angle opposite to LM is bigger than angle opposite to LR. So angle opposite to LM is this whole thing. So that means X plus Z is bigger than this X plus Y. Okay. So here you can see that X and X common. Okay. That means Z is bigger than Y. That means this angle Z is bigger than this angle Y. So the side opposite to the bigger angle, greater angle, will be greater. So opposite to angle Z we have MQ. So MQ will be bigger than QR. Okay. So here answer is MQ is bigger than QR. Okay. So this is all about this exercise. Okay, we will not do any more questions from this exercise. So you should always remember the concept, and very easy questions will be asked from here. Okay, where you have to just decide to arrange the sides or angles, okay, in ascending or descending. Clear? So this is all.